Nduja for breakfast? Why not? First things first. All right, so this sandwich is all to taste. So as much or as little of each ingredient as you like. Now, this beautiful breakfast sandwich, of course, has cheese, and this is the first one of 2 cheeses we are going to use. Smoked mozzarella, coarsely grated, enough to cover the sandwich. Then we are going to slice up some red onion. You can finely chop it up as well. And we are going to caramelize them. So let's get that going. In a pan on low to medium heat, add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and some butter. Add the onions and season with salt and freshly cracked pepper and saute until softened and caramelized. You can add a splash of water to the pan as this helps speed up the process of softening the onions. And if you have the time, you can go low and slow and go for as long as you want with the onions to really get them caramelized. And once you're happy with them, you're just gonna set aside. Nduja, what is it? Think of a spreadable pork salami that's funky, filled with Calabrian chilies. You can eat it straight out of the casing. You can add it into sauces, whatever you want. Today, we're making breakfast with it and putting it in some eggs. It's gonna be delicious. You can find it in jars. This is maybe for people that don't have specialty shops around them, or it's just difficult to find it in this form. You can find this online. I highly suggest you find this ingredient, try it because it is incredible, especially if you like a nice funky spicy flavor. This stuff is, it's my favorite. It's one of my favorite ingredients to use. I have other recipes on this channel with it, so if you find this and you love it, then there's more recipes to try. Most recently, I want to show you this. This is something that you'd find in Italy, in Calabria. Put a little tea candle under here, you'd light it, you put some of the sausage, Nduja, on top here, and it would melt and whatever, and you get some cheese, some bread, and just kind of take it on top. It'll get all oily. It is delicious. I love this stuff. Nduja and eggs are a great combination, and I'm gonna crack 3 eggs for this sandwich because of the size of the bread that I'm using, and I'm also going to season with salt and freshly cracked pepper and give it a whisk. Then let's get the Nduja ready. Give a taste test because why not? This stuff is delicious. And add the Nduja into a pan on low to medium heat and let it render down until softened and broken down. Once that is done, we're gonna add the eggs and scramble them up. And once the eggs are done to your liking, we can remove and toast your bread of choice. In the same pan, you can add some butter as well and toast it up. And a little someone was smelling something good in the kitchen and came over to see, but also to show me what she built with her Legos. Look at this, it's a masterpiece. Now let's build another masterpiece. Lay the caramelized onions down on the bottom half bun, then the Nduja scrambled eggs, the smoked mozzarella, place under a broiler just to melt it all down, and then finish with my all-time favorite cheese, pecorino crotonese, which is a nice sheep's milk cheese. We're gonna finally grate all over and close that sandwich up and bring it to the table. Sweet, salty, smoky, cheesy, and funky. This is a breakfast sandwich. I hope you give this one a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, ciao.